Here. Look, this is for you. It's not for me. This is for you. You know what this is? This is a seatbelt. Because you're going to have to buckle up. Oh yeah, we're going to be moving fast in this episode of the vlog. My friends, this vlog is going to boogie. Let's explain what this is all about. In the last episode, I cleared out this portion of the vehicle because it has to be reinforced and prepped for the air conditioner. I'm doing the air condition today. Here, we need this measurement because whatever this shelf is, I need to bring it out probably to here. Let me explain something. I'm going to have to go to the hardware store. So this screw has to be long enough to be here, pass through. I've got to leave. 9:10 in the morning on a Sunday.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. I didn't bring my glasses, I can't see. All fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Goodness, now.
Fasten your seatbelts. It's going to be a bumpy night.
Okay. All right, remember, where were we? Fasten your seatbelts. Let's get this party started. The bottom of the air conditioner has 2 attached spots. I've talked about through this entire build is nothing's even. I cut those unistruts at the perfect length and it was not perfect when I put it up there. I then had to cut almost an inch off the other. It is absolutely crooked. When I place the air unit on it, I need to take the casing off of here, the white casing, so I can line up the holes in the back where I have to drill in and reinforce. They're all options. So just besides the PVC skim, there's gotta be aluminum stud. That's an easy one. I need to make a new one here. Pre-existing. Okay. Okay. Let me tell you something. I don't really believe in off days. Not off from work. I'm talking like rhythm. But my rhythm has been wrong all day long. I broke a drill. Every problem today, every problem caused, created, and cured is with a new drill. Every problem is because of the new drill. If I buy a new one, I will fix everything. But that is spending $115, and the level of my stress, I should just go ahead and do it. 427. I'm gonna pack up. You know, when I said buckle your seatbelt this morning, I didn't know I was talking to me. Okay, here's what's happened. This is reinforced. Yeah. That feels so good. I'm gonna go up, but the air unit is not there. I can bolt it to the back. I just feel like the planets are saying, stop, walk away. Yeah. I have broken. This one was never right. Basic drill. The nice impact drill won't hold a thing. Won't hold. Don't ask. Works just fine. Won't hold a bit. So, I know. It feels like I've done nothing today. I have. Somebody's gaslighting me, trying to make me think that 179 is a good deal. I was hoping for 79.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
There's a lot to be said about 6 a.m. I maneuver when most don't. I bought a broken chandelier pendant. I have now brought the wire up. And you know what's so great about this? The confidence builder. I said I'm doing this because it's easy. There was a time that this was difficult. So I pulled out all the wires. I rewired this for 12 volts and also purchased low wattage LED bulbs.
I am strolling along, just minding my business, humming a song. I'm happy by myself, not a care in the world. This is a life, just me, myself, and I.
All right, train of thought. This is not a walkway, this is a bed, right? You're only gonna hit your head on it if it's here. So, it doesn't need to hug the wall. It can be out. I was even entertaining offsetting it.
Last night I cried, I thought I'd die without you. Those tears are gone, no, I don't even care about you. I'm happy again, life is a blessing if I think of you. Ain't a thing that I've been missing, I'm here on my own, just singing this song. Now that you're gone.
Well, spoiler alert, this is a temporary hookup because I want to put a switch next to the USB port. Let's turn the light off. Hold on. Let's turn the light. Let me turn the light off. Whee. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay. You ready? Okay.
Happy alone, just me, myself, and I.
Man, I needed good news. Good. Listen, it's a nice reading light, bed light. The switch will be over here by the USB port. And what does everything look like? Superb. Superb. So you know what? Let's install the air conditioner. You are very close to getting all the vlog you're gonna get today. Come on, I'm gonna wire this air condition. It's gonna be a little more involved hooking up the control units inside, but we're gonna watch it come on. But while I wire this, I'm gonna tell you a quick story. While doing this vlog, I broke my favorite camera, my new camera. It cracked. On the heels of the computer speaker blew out. Okay, this is where it's all gonna come together. I reached out to the camera company and I mentioned that, oh, I'm doing my boxcar vlog series. Oh, what's your YouTube channel? Maybe we can help you. So I gave her and she said, I'm sorry, the numbers just aren't there. But you know, she didn't tell me anything I don't know. So every time I say like, comment, and subscribe, tell a friend, be my PR agent, I'm not doing that because I'm a narcissistic Leo. Do you realize if I had over 10,000 subscribers, it's possible that... Anyway, again, like, can you subscribe to my channel? All right, I've wired this. Let's see what it looks like. Just me being stupid, but I wanted to do so much more. Maybe I'm bummed about the broken camera. Maybe I'm bummed that you won't subscribe. All I gotta do is do this. And I'm reminded it was a good week. I have a bag of air condition parts that I have to learn what they're for. The air gets vacuumed out of the hoses to add freon. That channel and path has to be created. I have to begin the woodwork to come down, which replicates that. The actual install of the outside air unit does make me feel like there's been some progress.
Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight.